Hey, what's up guys, it's Marshall James. Welcome to my channel. I am so happy, so delighted, so grateful for all your support and love you've shown me so far through your subscription on my channel. It shows that you guys really encourage me, and I will make sure I make you proud. God bless you. In today's video, I'll be comparing the all new Oppo A52 and the old Samsung Galaxy A31 to see how the Oppo A52 can keep up with the big boy, the Samsung Galaxy A31. Okay, yeah. So before we get started, if you're new to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon next to it in order to get notified or alerted whenever I drop a new video. Without much talking, let's begin. Talking about their build quality, the Samsung Galaxy A31 and the Oppo A52 are made of plastic at the back, but at the front they have a glass and a hole for their front camera placement. The plastic doesn't feel cheap, it feels compact and pretty cool in hand, and I love. They both devices support the Type-C charging technology. They produce amazing sound as well. So I'll say that's for the build quality aspect of these devices. Moving over to the display, the Samsung Galaxy A31 comes with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED capacity touchscreen display, a 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution, and on the other hand, the Oppo A52 houses a 6.5-inch IPS LCD touchscreen display and also have a 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution. But come on guys, the Samsung AMOLED display here, it's awesome and it overrides that of the Oppo A52. And I'll say the Samsung Galaxy A31 display, it's amazing and you enjoy every feel of it. And that makes the Samsung Galaxy A31 the winner of the category. Moving into their internals, which is the software aspect of it. The Samsung Galaxy A31 comes with a 6GB of RAM and a 128GB of ROM. A MediaTek MT6768 Helio P65 chipset with an octa-core processor which clocks at 2GHz and run with the latest Android 10 with a custom skin One UI 2.0. While on the other hand, the Oppo A52 houses the same 6GB of RAM and a 128GB of ROM, but runs a different chipset, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset, and also the same octa-core processor which clocks at 2GHz. It runs the latest Android 10, but with a different custom skin known as the Color OS 7.1. The Oppo A52 Snapdragon, it's amazing and gives the Oppo an edge over the Samsung Galaxy A31 because you can't compare the Snapdragon 665 to the MediaTek chipset because the Snapdragon, it's amazing. Actually, the Oppo wins in this category. Nice. Let's go deeper. Moving over to the camera and video test, the Oppo A52 houses a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and at the rear comes with a 12 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel micro sensor as well. Then moving over to the Samsung Galaxy A31, the device comes with a 20 megapixel selfie shooter. At the rear, it has a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 5 megapixel micro sensor, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor camera as well. The both devices have the camera arranged in an L shape with a flash as well. It actually gives them an amazing look, and I love. So with all these specs being said, let's stop talking and jump into practice. With no atom of doubt, we can see that the pictures coming from the Samsung Galaxy A31, it's awesome, soft and sweet, well detailed. That of the Oppo A52, it's cool, it's nice, but not as detailed as that of the Samsung A31. Hey guys, this is the front-facing camera from both the Samsung Galaxy A31 and the all-new Oppo A52. I love the video quality from the Samsung Galaxy A31 because it's 20 megapixel. It's something to write home about. Tell me guys, what do you think about this? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you. A31. But trust me guys, I think with the help of the Gcam installed on the Oppo A52, because of its Snapdragon chipset running on it, I think it will win the Samsung Galaxy A31 when it comes to camera. Yes, yes. The camera aspect of it will step up. If not win, it will match automatically with that of the Samsung Galaxy A31. I didn't have much time to do this on this video because I had limited time to review this device and send it back. But that being said, I think I'll not actually say Samsung wins. So let's call it a tie. Let's see something else. Moving over to the battery aspect of this device. Both devices come with a 5000 mAh battery capacity, which actually lasts the whole day depending on how intense you're using the device. But what makes the difference here is that the Samsung Galaxy A31 houses a 15 watts fast charging brick, while the Oppo A52 comes with an 18 watts fast charging brick. Automatically, the Oppo A52 takes lesser time to charge back to 100 than that of the Samsung Galaxy A31, which has the 15 watts fast charging brick, and that gives the Oppo an edge over the Samsung Galaxy A31. The price variance here is that the Samsung Galaxy A31 goes for 112,000 naira, while the Oppo A52 goes for 95,000 naira. A huge difference of 17,000 naira, guys. 17,000 naira, guys. That's like an extra savings, guys. You need to consider this. The Oppo gives you a camera, they give you a battery, and they give you a speed as well. So guys, with this 95,000 naira, you can get the Oppo and an extra saving of 17,000 naira, while the Samsung is taking all your 112,000 naira to offer the same service to you. Come on, guys. The Oppo is amazing. It's a flagship device, and I think you should go for it. It's cool. I love it so much. With all this being said, guys, I think and strongly believe that you accept with me that the Oppo A52 it's the winner in this comparison. Yes, the Oppo A52 wins the Samsung Galaxy A31. So, Galaxy no hard feelings, no hard feelings. It's cool. It's a cool device. I love. Trust me, I love Galaxy A31. Okay, guys, your thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know what you think or what you feel about these two devices. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please share this video to your friends as well to help them in their decisions when they want to purchase a phone. Please do well to hit the subscribe button in order to encourage me and keep me going, you know. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.